Why do our keyboards start with QWERTY? It all began on June 23, 1868, with a machine that changed how the world writes. Before typewriters, writing was slow. Everything was handwritten: letters, documents, even books. Errors were common, and copying took forever. In short, writing needed a revolution. In Milwaukee, USA, a printer named Christopher Latham Sholes was frustrated. He wanted to speed up writing. With the help of friends, he built a crude machine with keys and metal arms that struck paper through an ink ribbon. On June 23, 1868, he patented the world's first practical typewriter. But the early typewriter had a problem. The keys jammed. The machine used metal arms, called type bars, that would swing up to strike the paper. If you typed two nearby keys in quick succession, like T and H in the type bars would collide and stick. To fix this, Sholes needed a solution. Instead of designing for efficiency, he designed to slow people down, on purpose. He spread out the most commonly used letter pairs, separating them physically. For example, T and H were placed on opposite sides. This unusual layout, starting with QWERTY on the top left, wasn't meant to be fast. It was meant to prevent jams. Sholes kept adjusting the layout through trial and error, until the jamming was reduced. Eventually, the QWERTY layout was born. Though less efficient than other possible designs, it solved the biggest problem at the time: mechanical reliability. Sholes sold the rights to Remington, a firearms company looking to diversify. They mass-produced the typewriter and launched it in 1873. It quickly spread to offices, newspapers, and homes. QWERTY became the global standard, not because it was efficient, but because it was first. Even today, most of us still use the QWERTY layout on keyboards, phones, even smartwatches. Alternative layouts like Dvorak and Colmac exist, but they never replaced it. The legacy of Sholes' invention lives on in every word we type. The typewriter didn't just change how we write, it changed how we work, communicate, and think. And it all started on June 23, 1868.